Hello and welcome to Russ Sweat Audios. In tonight's episode we're going to be doing some more prep work on the doors, bonnet and boot lid. The plan is to get them painted in primer and barcoat, and then we will maybe put some top coat on. I'm not totally sure yet how much time we'll get, plus the top coat cannot go on the primer until it's fully dried. We've got a couple of hours, so we should get it done. The hope is to get all of the paintwork done before lockdown happens, so we're in a bit of a rush, which is why there's probably going to be a delay in some of these videos coming out. We're going to have to take a month off, so you're going to get some videos potentially from Tom's garage and from my garage rather than mixture in the unit, because we don't really want to break lockdown rules because it's not a business at the end of the day. So we're going to try our best to keep the content coming, but we're in a rush really to get this finished. We've got really 1, maybe 2 days tops to get the last few bits done. So I hope you enjoy, and I will catch you in a little while.
Hello.
So we managed to get more done than I expected to. We've got the doors prepared, we've got the boot lid prepared, and we've got the bonnet prepared. We got the primer top coat on the backs, and we also got the primer on the front, as you can see. We actually got a lot more done than I anticipated, so the next video should be coming out fairly soon, which will be a bit of a surprise, hopefully. Hopefully we can show you what the colour's going to be, and I'm sure you can appreciate it's going to look amazing. So I'd like to thank you for watching tonight, and I will catch you next time. Please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and it means that the channel will continue to grow, and I can bring more of these crazy videos to you. We've got some more in the Reliance series coming up in the next couple of days. Tom's been working on his robin, and I've also been working on my robins. Obviously we have the white one here and the orange one that's currently being scrapped. And as you can see in the background, we have a new arrival to the channel.
Hello.
And we also have little Russ Sweat and Adios. So thank you and good night.